I'm Nick Howard. I farm at High Studden Farm in Allendale. I've farmed in the Allendale Valley since I was 15, so we're now farming about 600 acres. Well, I've really enjoyed working with the North Pennines AONB partnership. We've done a woodland management plan that covers the whole of the farm with them, and we've recently just finished the planting of nearly 500 metres of hedging. You can see that it's budding already, and this has only been in here a couple of weeks. Hedging is quite a feature of the Allendale valleys, and we were keen to add to the hedging that had already been planted on our farm with the help of other environmental schemes. I wouldn't have been able to have warranted the tree planting without the grant assistance. So it's an enormous help, and it's nice that I feel that we're planting something that future generations are going to benefit from. It'll take quite a few years for it to become established, but once it's up and running and managed and looked after and cut on an annual basis, it adds to the beauty of the valleys.